What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Nelson. Today I'm with my brother and we're inside 2012 Ford Mustang base model. Guys, let's hit it with a cold start somewhat. There you go. 124,000 miles. Base model Mustang V6. It's got a leather wrap steering wheel. Some of the buttons are worn off. They're kind of just painted on. My cruise control on the left, radio controls on the right. Nothing here in the back, but it's still a big, silver, hefty steering wheel. What the? Oh, there you go. You got a right in the middle. It's a beautiful steering wheel. Let me get this window up. We got our AC. Get that going a little bit. See what's on the radio. Okay. Woo! Let me move my seat. So I can reach the pedals. Oh, it's my seat belt. Probably adjust your seat before you're installing your seat belt on the Mustangs. Let's go for a ride. You ready? All right, guys, let's get going. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is having a great day. And if you're not having that great of a day, don't worry about it, because it can only get better. Right, Christian? Today has been freaking horrible, man. It has been horrible. Hey, don't worry, it's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. I said the same thing the other day, that, you know, with bad days are good because then comes the good. It's the same thing. You can't have the good without the bad. But dude, today has been just horrible, and I've been so productive. It's terrible. Okay, this morning I did a video, and this is the second video for today. I edited the video, uploaded the video. I've also done the water pump, the belt, the serpentine belt, the radiator, and the thermostat on my Corolla. And now I'm in the process of bleeding it. Done a detail. I've been to the auto parts store a couple times, just back and forth, talking to customers. I mean, I've been so productive, done so much things, and it just, I don't know, it just feels like I haven't done anything.
I know that feeling.
It's a Saturday today. I'm hecka chilling. And Sunday's my day off tomorrow. I can't wait to go home and do absolutely nothing. But I don't know what's up with me. Just having a weird day. What about you? How's your day?
Dude, would you believe that I kind of feel the same thing? Like, you do certain things and you achieve your small goals, but me personally, I still feel like a bit of, I feel like I should be doing something else instead of doing this stuff.
Like somehow I'm always chilling. You know, it's a thing that I have. Like, I'll get mad for like a minute or two, and then I'll realize, I'm like, dude, why am I so upset? Like for example, road trips. Go on road trips, and road trips are super sweet. You know you're gonna have fun whenever you get to where you're gonna get to, but getting there can be a little stressful. And then I'll kind of just realize it halfway through, and I'll be like, dude, I gotta just calm down. And I'm definitely working on it. Is that considered some kind of anxiety, or am I just dumb? I don't know. It's all right. It's all right not to know either. You don't need to know everything that's going on.
But what I do know is that this headset has 13 clicks of adjustment.
No way. On the Mustang?
Yeah, I can.
I know. I have my head right on it right now, and it feels really good. I have my seat really reclined back. I love driving like this. Like, I just do everything exactly the way I do it in the video. In real life, I'm super chill. I'm just laid back, relaxing. You know, whenever I go out somewhere, I'll have like one beer, and that's about it. In my driving, yeah, two beers.
What?
Yes, bro.
What about that one day we were at the lake?
I had like 2 or 3.
Oh, so not one, not
So
2?
3, maybe 3.
All right.
And then we had food.
That third is gonna turn into a 4 real quick.
It might have been 4. I might have had 4 beers at the lake. When do we go to the lake? Dude, it was like 100 something that day.
Dude.
And we brought more beer. Okay.
I picked up a 12. No, I picked up an 18 pack, and I'm pretty sure I had 19.
What? You mean it had 19 beers in the 18 pack?
No, I'm saying that's how much beer I had.
Oh, that's terrible. Well, we're going down this terrible road, and you just see the Mustang swaying a little bit. I don't think there's any suspension issues. I think this road is just really bad. In the sun, hopefully you guys can see good. These little visors don't do much.
Bro, so check this out.
Ah, man, I'm checking it out.
This might be a point of interest. I think the Mustang is super underrated. And let me tell you why.
You mean the V6 Mustang?
All Mustangs.
All Mustangs?
All Mustangs, because of their build quality. Look at this. This Mustang has only been around a few years, and already it's having these cosmetic issues that just makes you go, it's just a Mustang. Like, and you might say that there's no suspension issues, but like I can just hear like rattling, can you?
Yeah, there's rattling for sure.
Dude, I think the Mustang deserves way more attention to detail and like build quality.
I think the Mustang, compared to a lot of Ford vehicles, the Mustang is built good.
Yeah.
Because other Ford vehicles are not built that great. Or actually, I don't know. There's like the Taurus. The Taurus lasts forever.
Oh, yeah.
That's just a running crazy machine. Everything will break on it except for the whole Taurus, kind of.
Well, like the small plastic pieces like this, they'll break.
But one of Ford's biggest things is all the small plastic pieces. Yeah. Especially on the insides. Sometimes they have good motors, sometimes you can never fix them. But I do love the Mustang. The Mustang's so sweet.
Dude, I love a Mustang.
Yeah, the Mustangs are awesome. Like every body style I love. Yeah.
They're so fun to drive. They're fun to own. Like if you clean them up nice, they'll just shine.
I think this Mustang has 300 horsepower.
300 horsepower.
Yeah, it has like 305 or something like that. It's crazy for a V6. And I think it gets like 27, 28 mpg. So they're really pushing it. It's amazing.
Yeah. Pretty good innovation.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think
these are great cars.
6 gets like 12 or 18 miles per gallon.
Oh my god.
I love commuting to my Mustang.
Jesus. Yeah, if you're gonna commute, the V6 Mustang is like a must. You know, you're gonna look so good in this car.
But you have so much fun in the V8 Mustang.
Yeah. That could be argued.
I know I do.
Especially they're so old now, they probably have who knows how much problems. Everything is breaking in it.
God, yeah, you do not see those Mustangs anywhere. Dude, how about this? I haven't seen one of those OBS Mustangs. Let's see if by the time we finish,
we see one.
Exactly.
Oh man, I gotta keep a lookout now.
Oh no, like, I'll see it if I see it.
Yeah, they stick out like a sore thumb.
Yeah. With their bad pay and like 4 stances.
Oh man. Yeah, today's been terrible. Oh, you know what happened today? So we got a Dodge Charger now. The Charger's sick. I love the Charger. Dodge is so good looking. They make such good looking cars, but they're just terrible like everything else. And I had to do the transmission service. We did motor transmission service on it, and I did the motor, transmission, and differential oil on this one. You know, we do just about full service on all the cars, so I'm always working on different types of cars. And what I really see is how difficult some cars are to work on. Like this Mustang's super cool, super easy, super chill, and then you got something like the Dodge Charger that doesn't even give you a drain plug for the transmission, so you just spill it all over yourself. What? And that's what happened to me yesterday. And then the thing, what happened is that they siliconed the entire transmission pan, so to remove it was tough. I left like 2 bolts, one on each side, so it wouldn't just completely fall and drain everywhere and fall everywhere, the oil. But even with that, it's because you had to pry it out with the screwdriver. And yeah,
what's the thinking process like for that design? Like they're thinking, oh, I want a really reliable car, so I'm gonna make it really difficult to service the transmission.
Oh my god, Jesus, you just hit the greatest point of all time. It's absolutely insane. Yeah, dude, that car's such a pain to work on. And then what I needed is like a thermostat kind of gun, so I can check the transmission temperature, because it does not come with a dipstick, and depending on the temperature of the transmission fluid is the level of where you're supposed to check it. So I run around everywhere, and they don't have one that's not powered by batteries, because I'm not 5 years old anymore. And I don't want to play with battery powered stuff, at least have it rechargeable, and I couldn't find one. I went AutoZone, O'Reilly's, freaking Home Depot. I went online on Amazon, and they're I don't know if they just don't exist or what. It's ridiculous. Yeah, so I'm just gonna have to order one and wait for it to come in so I can check the proper level on the transmission that I just did. Because I couldn't measure how much I took out of it, because like half of it fell on the floor.
That's a little different.
Yeah, it's sad. It's sad.
And is that the recommended way to do it?
Well, yeah, but not spilling it all on the floor.
Oh, you guys do that all the time.
Yeah, it's because it's supposedly 4.5 quarts, right? So I've already put 5. I think it's still low. I know it sounds terrible, but the readings, and they do it differently online. Everyone does it a little different. There's some guy.
Oh no, let's not say that. I would stick to consistency.
1A Auto, he says it's 70 degrees outside, so it's 70 degrees of transmission oil, and they have a whole chart that tells you. I think we have the NA24 transmission, so I think it's the N42 something transmission, and that one has a specific chart of, depending on the temperature, the level of the transmission. So I checked it the other day.
Oh, there it is, there it is.
What, a chart?
Oh, no, that's a 2005 model.
That's still a good one.
I mean, it's barely making it. Like, I'm glad you have your eyes on the road, because I am searching for this OBS Mustang.
Oh, dang we. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna find one. I saw one wrecked the other day.
Well, of course.
I don't know if that helps.
Yeah.
That doesn't help. That just takes them out. They're taking themselves out, bro.
If I was a betting man, I say it was a front-end collision accident.
Yeah, it was. Oh, dude, there was a traffic stop over here by the college. So, you know how yesterday was Friday, right? And college just started over here, Stanislaus, Modesto Junior College. So, like, everyone's going with their friends and stuff like that. Well, they had a DIY or DUI traffic stop over here by Stanislaus, and I was barely passing it while they were setting up the cones and everything, and they were just like with their flashlights, and I was like, damn, I gotta get out of here quick. I didn't drink nothing, but it's still like, I don't want to get stopped, because then they ask you for like your ID, and you're like, you got your license? You're like, yeah. Got your ID? Yeah. I'm like, all right, I think you're free to go. Mustang, that's the Stang. That's the video. This thing runs absolutely amazing.
The most.
It's really beautiful. The blue, it's like the deep blue, and I love it. Oh my goodness, I don't know what to do with this guy. I'm just gonna park over here. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Let me know what you think. I'll see you next time.